Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So today's tutorial is a special one, it's a requested video. Some of you have been asking me to make a simple video on how to make a 6 pieces skirt, and this video is all about that. So if you're interested in knowing how I made this 6 pieces skirt to the end, so please continue watching this video to the end. And guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, ask them to subscribe, and you can even share my video with your family members. Give my video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this tutorial to more people, so that they too can also see this tutorial and learn from it. And you can also check my other videos on my channel. I have other tutorials there that you can also watch and learn how to make these stars on your own. So always watch my video to the end. Guys, we have a lot on this channel. Please continue watching this video to the end.
So this is our material that we're using to cut our 6 pieces skirt. So what I will do now, we start with our measurement. Starting with my measurement, the length. So that is the length that I want to mark. The length is 39 point plus 1 inch for the M line. So I'm marking it now. So it's a simple way of cutting 6 pieces. Can you see what I've cut out? I just cut a pieces out so that we'll start with the front middle side of these 6 pieces. So we'll start with the measurement now. So from the waist to my half length is 17, and that is what I'm marking there now. So from there now we'll just start with our measurement. So it's a simple way of doing it, of making these 6 pieces. That's why I'm making it like this for you to see. So what I'm marking now is 3.5. So I'll mark 3.5 throughout. Getting to my half length that I marked 17, I will not mark 3.5 again. So I will mark 3. Remember, I will mark 3. So coming to the downside of it, that will get our flare, what I'm marking there is 7.5. 7.5, so you just connect. So that is what I'm doing there now. So I'm connecting it from the waist to my half length that I've got. So from there we just take it out to get our flare. Please don't forget to watch my channel, watch it to the end, share it to your friends, give it a thumbs up. So that is the connection now from the flare side to my half length, and from my half length to the waistline. So that is the center front that we are making. So when you are cutting your own, just watch it the way I'm doing and cut it out, and you will see it will come out exactly. So this is the cutting now. So I've done with the front side of it. That is the middle side. Is the middle side that I've just done now. It's an easy way of cutting your 6 pieces, and that is what I'm doing now. And it's a skirt that I'm making on these 6 pieces. So just watch it to the end and see the outcome of these 6 pieces that I'm cutting for you. 6 pieces skirt. So that is the middle side of the front side. So it's ready and we have cut it. So what I want to do now is just to finish the cutting down. That is the downside of it now. So this is the cutting, and before showing you all this, you can see that everything is out, it's clear, the flare. So that is the downside of the flare. So let me open it for you now to see how it will be. So this is what we use. We use the back now and the front to cut. That is the front side to cut the back. So I just lay it to the front to the back, and to give it my zipper allowance. My zipper allowance that I'm adding there is 2. Why I'm adding 2, not that I'm using 2 exactly. I want it to just have a little flare at the back side of it, to have a smart, a little tail. That's why I added it. So the actual zipper allowance is 1 inch. So that is what I'm marking there for you to see. I'm pointing it out for you. So let me just drag it towards the other side so that that 2 inch that I added there will show out. So that is where I'm pointing from. My half length is where you now connect it out. That is from the zipper side of it. My half length, that is where you will connect it out so that it will have that flare. So I'm done with that. So I'm also cutting. So that is the downside of it that I'm cutting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, give it a thumbs up so that more people can learn from it, and also watch it and do it on your own. That's why we are showing you all of this on this video. So I'm opening the zipper side of it now to cut out. So after cutting it out now, that the front and the back will be ready. Remember, I use the front to cut it out. That is the front for the back. So that is the cutting side of it now that I'm cutting. Opening the zipper side, and that is the upper side, that is the waist side of cutting. So you can see how the shape is coming out. Very beautiful one that we have done now. So the side of the cutting also that I'm cutting out. So the front and the back is ready for the pieces now. Remember, it's this pieces skirt that we are making on this fabric, and it's Ankara that we are using to make it. So you can see how it is down. The Ankara is beautiful also. So this is the pieces now. This is the back side of it now. So can you see how it is now? So you just come up. So the side now is want to cut. We are making with the front side of it. So what I will do, I will not just fold it again, because where I'm folding it now because of the front and the back. So this time around is the side that we are cutting, and it's 2 times that we'll cut it out. So what I've done now, I just spread that center front of it to lay it at the fabric. So you can see I folded it when I was cutting at the front side, but now I'm spreading it out for us to use it to cut the side of the skirt. This is how you cut it, and this is another easy way to cut your 6 pieces skirt. So remember, I've told you it's a simple pattern that we are using to cut it. So that is how I'm doing it now. So what I will do now is just for me now to cut. So after cutting, going at the upper side, at the waist side to the hip, we'll now do our measurement. We'll take our measurement. So first, let me just cut out the flex side. Remember, it's the side of the 6 pieces skirt that we are now cutting. We have cut the back, we have cut the front, and I'm using the front to cut the side of the 6 pieces skirt. So now I want to give you the other side of it now. So the measurement from the waist now is what I want to give you. So from the waist, remember, we are using a band. So I'm taking away from my band 1.5, and to get from our waist to our hip now, is what I'm pointing out for you, is 8 that I'm marking there now. From there now is where you now get your allowance for your sewing. I added 2 inch, so it's 2 inch that I added from the waist to the hip, and after that, that is just all you have to have on this pattern or on these pieces that we are making. So I've done that. Remember what I did there? I marked from my waist to my hip line 8, and I've taken away from my tape rule because it has a band, and we added our allowance to 2 inch. That is what I added, and you can see the curving side of the hip now are shown out. So this is how you also make your own when making your 6 pieces skirt. Please watch it to the end. I want you guys to watch my video to the end and see how detailed I make this 6 pieces skirt. So can you see how it is now that that's come out now? Very good. So we have done with the one side of the 6 pieces skirt, and it's the 2 pieces that we have there now. So remain 2 pieces again that will complete our 6 pieces skirt. So this is the side of it now. It's the 2 pieces that we have now. So now we'll cut the other side of the 2 pieces again that will complete our 6 pieces skirt. So now I want to fold the other side of it again. So we'll use the side of it now to cut, because now we are cutting the side of it. We are not using that center front. That center front has served its purpose. We have used it to cut the first side of the 6 pieces. Now I'm just using the other side of it now again to cut so that it will appear at the same shape, because it's the side that we are cutting. Remember, what I'm doing is I'm using the side to cut the other remaining side pieces that will complete our 6 pieces skirt. So this is the cutting side now, just for you now to lay it and cut it out. So that's what I'm doing there now. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch my video to the end. I want you guys to watch my video to the end. Just do it the way you are seeing it on the video, and you see how it will come out. It will be very beautiful when you do your own. So that is what I'm doing here now. So cutting the side pieces that remain. So you now make it 4 pieces that we now have, like the two sides on one side, 2 sides on one side, making it to complete the side pieces and to get our 6 pieces skirt. It's 6 pieces skirt that we are making with this fabric, this Ankara fabric that we are making. So try and do it on your own. What did I say? I say try it and do it on your own. And you know, when I started, I said how to make a simple 6 pieces skirt. You can see that it's very simple. It's not a difficult style to make out on your 6 pieces. Very easy way to cut your 6 pieces skirt. So now guys, it's ready. The 2 sides of it, that is the 4 pieces, now is ready. We have cut it out now. So can you see how it is very beautiful? So I'm just showing you how it is. So what next now is just for us now to go and stitch. So I'm using my chalk to mark the wrong side of my fabric, so that you will not be confused if you are sewing. That's what I'm doing then. So I'll take it to the machine and go and stitch together and bring it, and after that iron it also. So I've done it now. I've stitched it, I've ironed it. You can see how it is now. This is the 6 pieces we have done with the body now. So what I want to do now is just for me now to go and measure the body and use the back side to join together. And so I've done it, join it together, iron it. So fix the band now. So 1.5 inch is the band. So you measure your band. So let me measure it for you to see. 1.5, and the waist is 26. So we just measure everything about the waist and use it to get your band, and that's what I did there.
Guys, our 6 pieces skirt is ready. Very beautiful. You can see the fabric that we use, very beautiful Ankara fabric that we use. Guys, if you don't understand what we did here, please watch this video again and again. You can see that this method that we use is a very simple way to cut your 6 pieces skirt. Don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. We have a lot on this channel. You can check our other tutorials so that you can learn how to cut and sew this 6 pieces skirt. It's a special request from one of you guys, and you can see how the outcome is. So stick to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, share my video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to see you guys on Friday. Thank you for watching.